So do you want to trade like a pro, predict the market like a pro? I'm going to be talking more of support and resistance. Okay, so this is a support zone where price stops falling. That is what we call support zone. You can see it respected the order block there. That is an order block. So this is what we call a support zone. Then here is the resistance zone where price stop rising. Right? It's as simple as that. So support zone helps you get into the market on time. Right? It helps you detect the buy, and resistance zone helps you to sell. Right? You predict it and you say on time. So I'm going to leave you with this. Most pro traders buy near support and sell near resistance. It's as simple as that. Okay. So on my next video, I'll be talking more on order blocks. Make sure you subscribe and follow me. Peace out.